Alright, this is the new tomato milling machine that we just got, and here are some tomatoes. I'm going to get my wife to record the new machine and show you what it does. Thank you. Alright, by the way, hi, I'm Hawk. My real name is Jason, last name Haynes. These are some tomatoes right here. This is vintage wine and black Ethiopian. Another one here. Megan wants to put some tomatoes in there. Go ahead, Megan. She's being very selective. You guys are going to have fun. I'll keep you guessing. You can guess what I'm putting in here. But basically we're going to fill the hopper. All I did was I just washed these tomatoes. No coring, no slipping skins. Just picked them and made sure there wasn't any stems. Clean tomatoes, that's it. Hey, that right there, that's Darth Vader. Tell you what, we're gonna speed this up a little bit. Hopefully we won't have too many falling. Load the hopper up real good. We're getting there. Another Darth Vader. This is a Lotus, it's a white PL. Alright. We even have some Commodus Nalagal thrown in there. Alright, now that thing looks pretty stout. Nice and colorful. Alright, we're getting ready to turn it on. The hardest part is keeping up with the machine. Wow!
Seriously, Daddy, I almost got a whole pot full.
And all the waste comes out the end. That was that whole hopper right there. All this right here is nothing but skin, seeds, and cores, and all this stuff right here is nice thick sauce. And that's going to be nice. We're going to make some spaghetti tonight. Thank you.
How do I stop this thing?
Just hit the record button.
Where's the record button?